Welcome to National Resource Centre, Central University of Kerala. Today, we will discuss on Learning Management System, LMS. The evolution of technology has reached to such a catastrophic phase that educational capabilities are growing and changing every day for the learner and the teacher. The advances in technology has changed all the domains by the introduction of Web 5.0 tools that has come to the classrooms of the developed countries, and in India, we still find it difficult to manage the Web 3.0 technologies. The advance in technology alone does not contribute to effective knowledge transfer among the teachers and students. These advancements in tools of education have to be properly supplemented or comprehended by the system in practice. This is the time where today's classrooms are experiencing an overhaul in the process of teaching and learning, that is from direct face-to-face situations to the internet-based virtual learning modes through learning management systems. What is learning management system? Learning management system or LMS is a comprehensive term for a computer system, either a software application or a web-based technology that particularly creates a platform for collaborating teachers and students, whereby it facilitates the management of online courses and distribution of course materials. LMS tracks each and every aspect of student progress in a course from their registration to recording of test results. It also allows accepting assignments online and keeps in connection with the students. Learning management system is also known as course management system, which acts as online teaching learning platform that delivers courseware and e-tutoring over the internet. LMS has to be developed in compliance with SCROM, Shareable Content Object Reference Model, which requires that the content developed can be reusable and easily shared between different LMS. Common features of LMS: easy graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is abbreviated as GUI. Most LMSs, the user experience an exclusive space in his learning platform by offering customization options for the interface. GUI is multifunctional and more interactive. Customization. Apart from the GUI, LMS opens up several options for customization to shape the system as per the user needs. This shaping includes the changes brought in the language options, notification settings, and other important features. The best part is different types of users can use one LMS, each with its own specific preferences. Enrollment. The system may allow students to enroll online. They could also save the data regarding their personal details, course progress, and results. It may also facilitate online payment of course fees by the students through credit cards, debit cards, etc. Course pathways. Specifications about the details of a course, creating students' own learning pathways with a flexible work time and space are done with the LMS. Communication. LMS system allows communication with students both in sending bulk email to everyone or sending a particular topic to a specific group of students studying a specific stream. Upcoming events or virtual classroom sessions are communicated to students by scheduling automatic emails. LMS may act as a forum that can be used by teachers and taught. Virtual classroom. LMS assists to chart sessions and set reminders for them according to an online calendar, thereby integrating system for a virtual classroom with a great effect. Social networking. LMS can also make it possible to share content or news through Instagram, Twitter or any other social media sites. Testing or assessment. Assessments are key parts of online courses. It provides starting points, that is already fixed templates to make the test more powerful. There is flexibility in attempting test items and time limit. Test results are reported and recorded in LMS. Reports. The reports can be generated and exported into other application software for understanding and interpreting data graphically or visually within a reporting system of a good LMS. Help with content creation. For a beginner, it is very useful for getting a sample of courses that is going to do when entering into LMS. A new user can know how to create, add, upload and distribute content within the LMS. Different types of learning management systems. There are many types of learning management systems available to manage e-learning with delivery of course materials depending on the needs and budget. First, web-based LMS versus installed LMS software. Earlier, LMS vendors created software installed on server called installed LMS software. Modern LMS vendors develop web-based LMS. It is cost effective compared to installed software, as it is costly in terms of installation and maintenance cost. Another advantage of web-based LMS is that it is subjected to continuous periodic development and upgradation. Second, free versus commercial. Free learning management systems are available which need only technical talent and it is free of cost. There are some solutions which can install and maintain. There are also commercial types of learning management systems. A commercial product may be more durable and less infected than a free version. SaaS / cloud LMS versus hosted LMS. There are two different views in the web-based software, SaaS LMS and hosted LMS. SaaS means software as a service. For hosted LMS, the full control of the server needs to be taken up by a person who himself is responsible for updating the server. In case of online SaaS LMS, all such responsible duties rely on the LMS vendor. In hosted service, service provider is used to the procedure and so it is normally up and running ordered. Open source versus closed source. Both web-based and installed software has closed as well as open source LMS. Open source software means open, that is, the source code is freely available to use and to adapt needs. Open source gives you freedom but also responsibilities. Unlike open source systems, closed source systems or proprietary software does not share their code. LMS based platforms in education. The major LMS based platforms are Moodle, Instructure Canvas, Schoology, Blackboard Learn, D2L Brightspace, Edmodo, Quizlet and Google Classroom. Moodle LMS. Moodle LMS is the world's most popular and most used learning management system, as it is a flexible, open source, user friendly and free to download learning management solution. Moodle stands for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Moodle was developed in 2002 by Martin Dogiamas. Moodle is originated as a platform to provide educators with the technology to provide online learning in personalized environments that foster interaction, inquiry and collaboration and meeting learning goals. Moodle is an open source learning management system which creates a virtual learning environment VLE. It is used by variety of individuals and institutions including universities, schools, government departments, homeschoolers, independent educators and special educators. Moodle is a LMS based platform designed to create integrated, secure and robust personalized learning environments for learners, educators and administrators. The focus of Moodle project is on providing educators the best tools to manage and promote learning. There are many ways to use Moodle. Special features of Moodle: all-in-one learning platform, compliance training, on-board related training, competency based training and management, workplace safety training, online learning and continued education opportunities, the hiring and interview process, online course development, product and service launches, communities of expertise, highly flexible and fully customizable and usable at any time, anywhere and in any device, specifically anytime, anywhere and in any device. InStructure Canvas LMS. Canvas Network is another open source LMS based platform brought by the American educational software company InStructure in 2012. Though their Canvas Network site, they provide access to free and paid online courses. Canvas is a capable educational LMS and an attractive alternative to Blackboard with its fresh interface and standard hosting. It is fully hosted by Amazon Web Services. Course assembly tools are very sophisticated. A suite of platforms for distribution of class modules and publication of courses are facilitated by it. Apart from the elite universities associated with its major platforms, Canvas hosts over 80 courses on the site. Schoology. Schoology was created by 3 undergraduates at the University of Washington at St. Louis in 2009. It plays numerous roles and is free for individuals in the beginning. It was used for note taking and social networking, but later on it became full featured course assembler. Assessment in Schoology is web based. Next, Blackboard Learn LMS. Blackboard, a huge LMS vendor, is an enterprise technology corporation founded in 1997. It is mainly known as the developer of education software Blackboard Learn. It is very well equipped with more tools and services available via the Blackboard suite. It has got extensions, means the Blackboard building blocks, adds additional functionality. It has numerous partnerships and standout interoperability. D2L Brightspace LMS. It began offering massive open online courses MOOC via Desire to Learn open course platform in 2013. It is used at more than 650 institutions across the globe. Despite a learning curve, D2L Brightspace offers one of the most comprehensive learning management systems available today. It has impressive analytics and predictive modeling. It supports deeply for competency based education and has large array of add-ons. Automated early intervention tools are offered by it. Students can retain access to e-portfolios after the completion of a course. And next, Edmodo LMS. Edmodo launched in the year 2008 by Nick Bogg and Jeff O'Hara, two Chicago area school technology administrators. Edmodo is a platform that creates a blended learning environment by transforming all the resources between teachers, students and parents based on their needs. Edmodo has over 65 million users. It has two aspects. One aspect is as education LMS and other as academic social media network. Facebook friendly interface means low barriers to entry. Smart use of gamification is possible. Spotlight makes sharing resources simple and potentially lucrative. Common core micro assessment, student, teacher and parents views are marked. Quizlet LMS. Quizlet LMS provides a simple user centric online tool for rote learning. It is simple to use and configure through it is limited in scope. It creates study sets or user generated sets and has 6 distinct study modes. Generous language localizations and excellent text to text speech technology. It is affordable and free accounts available. Next, Google Classroom LMS. Google Classroom provides an easy way for educators who are already invested in the Google ecosystem to experiment with online learning. Google Classroom makes advantage of the ubiquity of G Suite for education to offer simple online complement to in-person classes. Google Classroom makes use of Google Drive for storing large files and creating assignments, etc. Students and educators already share and annotate Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. Present work using Google Slides and meet remotely via Google Hangouts. The present system of learning in higher education is through massive open online courses, MOOCs. There are many MOOC providers in the world which offer quality courses in innovative areas. MOOC providers. The main MOOC providers are Coursera.org, edX.org, Canvas.net, Audacity.com, Alison.com, etc. All of them offer 4 to 8 weeks courses in almost all disciplines. The courses are offered in English as well as in French, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Turkish, Chinese and Japanese. Anybody can register an account in site of these MOOC providers and enroll the courses of their choice. The courses are free, but for certification some providers may ask for payment. The educational resources like video lectures, discussion forums, assignments are available in the site. Different activities like reading, discussion and assignments are also provided with some hints. The main MOOC providers are discussed here. First, Coursera, it is a USA based thing. Coursera is founded by two Stanford computer professors, Andrew Ng and Daphne Koller in 2012 January. Coursera is the biggest MOOC provider in the world with over 25 million students and $146.1 million raised in funding. It has more than 150 university partners from 29 countries and over 2,000 online courses. Coursera is a learning platform that partners with the top universities in the world which offer courses online for free. Apart from single courses, Coursera offers its own credential known as specialization and fully online master's degrees. In Coursera, most of the material are delivered as video lectures, video scenarios and reading materials. It also includes activities like discussion prompts, quizzes and self-report. EDX, again USA based. EDX is founded by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Harvard University in May 2012. It is a non-profit open source platform which is the second largest MOOC provider in the world with more than 10 million students. It has more than 100 university partners, offers more than 1,500 courses, and EDX offers a number of different types of certificates programs like professional education, micromasters, professional certificate and X series courses. Audacity, again USA based. Audacity is founded in June 2011 and launched in 2012 by Stanford professor Sebastian Thrun, the man behind Google's self-driving car project, with David Stavens and Mike Sokolsky. After the huge success of Thrun's introduction to AI, artificial intelligence course, Audacity focused originally on offering university-style courses, but now it focuses more on vocational courses for professionals. Audacity is a tech unicorn and it has partnership with different technology companies to create nano degrees that train learners for a particular job. Recently, it has launched an artificial intelligence nano degree with IBM Watson and a self-driving car engineer nano degree. Nano degree courses are available for free. Audacity offers around 200 free online courses. More than 4,000 students are enrolled in the master's program. FutureLearn, UK based. FutureLearn is the first UK based MOOC provider. It is fully owned by Open University. It was launched in December 2012 by a consortium of 12 UK universities and a joint venture for creating a space for British institutions to engage in the MOOC space, and now it has more than 6 million registered users. FutureLearn offers its own credential program known as FutureLearn programs, and it also announced 6 online postgraduate degrees in partnership with Australia's Deakin University. The move takes an advantage of the comprehensive and accelerated expansion of open online courses. Swayam, India based. Swayam stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds, is the official MOOC platform of our country, which is indigenously developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD and All India Council for Technical Education with the help of Microsoft in 2014. Swayam courses cover all the different sectors of education like school, undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, law and other professional courses. Under Swayam, professors of centrally funded institutions in India such as Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management and central universities offer online courses to the citizens of India. Udemy, again USA based. Udemy is founded by Gagan Bien Aaron Bailey Oteki Kagler in 2009. It is one of the major contributors in online education and is sometimes renamed in the same breath with EDX. Coursera and Audacity with over 4 million students enrolled in 25,000 courses from 10,000 instructors. Each course is taught by an expert instructor and every course is available on demand, so students can learn at their own pace, on their own time and on their own device. The faculty project is devoted to courses by professors from top institutions, while Udemy is a for-profit enterprise. The faculty project courses will be free forever. The courses include discussion boards for interaction with other students and professors, videos, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs, articles and other resources. The project creates an opportunity to share lessons that empower and motivate people to improve their lives and change their world. ALISON. ALISON stands for Advanced Learning Interactive Systems Online, which is a UNESCO award-winning social enterprise and also one of the most widely used e-learning providers. Mike Firrick established it in Galway, Ireland in the year 2007. It serves as a potential resource for basic education and essential skills, business and enterprise skills, financial and economic literacy, digital literacy and IT skills and health literacy, etc. are the major topics made available. It stands as a platform for superior quality interactive multimedia courseware for certification and standard based learning. The courses are provided free of cost. Benefits of LMS: efficient management. LMS allows systematic control over different levels like administration, communication with users and course content management, and also it is an efficiently managed registrations, creation of groups and courses as well. Again, the role of each participant involved in this process: easy access to information. It provides immediate training access. All the data provided is in organized manner which is accessible to the users. All learners have access to courses, calendars, learning content and material, and evaluation is made possible irrespective of time and place, provided one has an internet access. Personalization. Learning platforms allow complete personalization to the user institution. The institution can mold various features to suit its needs. The platform can be multi-language or monolingual. Up-to-date and immediate content in LMS. The course content can be updated and can be made available for the immediate access to the students. Advanced reporting. Using LMS, the progression, duration or completion of a work by the learner or a group can be made into detailed report which can then be personalized and downloaded. Multimedia learning. LMS supports multimedia learning content created by educational institutions that involves various formats like text, video, audio, etc. All of them serve as great tools for new skills or information. Improved communication. LMS opens up an all-time open route in front of all the users, say the students and the teachers, for mutual communication and collaboration. Communication may be through notifications, reminders and messages to users and can be administered easily. Feedback. Learners can provide feedback on training immediately, saving time and money. Unlike traditional methods, LMS can accommodate fairly large number of students and remarkably reduce the time duration and cost for creation and execution of various educational and training programs. LMS reduces delivery cost for each course and can train more learners. Ubiquitous. It can also address to the geographical barriers, as the teachers can modify the contents and learners can access those materials anytime from anywhere. Moreover, the content data can be used for several times. Flexibility. Students or teachers can reuse the contents as and when needed. Fair evaluation. The student evaluation is easier and more transparent, counting on the student attendance and online quizzes. Integration of LMS into higher education. The influence of present trends and developments in modern educational practices on the higher education pointed to the need for technologically enhanced learning to provide quality education. This essentially resulted in transformation in the teaching learning approaches to virtual learning as well as usage of innovative technology. Learning management system has been launched in academic institutions to bring about changes with the needs of 21st century learner. Learning management systems such as Blackboard, Canvas and Desire to Learn are becoming a vital part of university classrooms in the 21st century. Chaubey pointed out the role of the LMS in learning and pedagogy, its access and flexibility and cost effectiveness in higher education. In this regard, higher education institutions need to integrate LMS into their teaching and learning processes so as to accomplish efficacious learning outcome. LMS substantially targets the core of a university's activity, which need to be integrated with standard operating procedures for class scheduling, enrollment, assessment, quality evaluation, network accounting, etc. The main aspect of LMS integration in higher education are course organization, designing from learner's perspective. When LMS is used communication medium, a consistent input of instruction should be made for the easy understanding of the learning group, using different features to diversify class activity. Elements such as email, discussion forum, reading activities, quiz, mini projects, assignments and file uploading features provide distinct paths to enable the interaction of a learner with a content, with an instructor and with a whole learner. Using communication tool to develop learning community. It is the instructor's responsibility to facilitate the development of a learning community utilizing tools. The responsibility of facilitating the successful evolution of a learning community by using synchronous and asynchronous communication tools resides in the instructor. Learning becomes a lifelong process in which LMS finds its place in providing the user with a unique exposure to different learning styles, suiting personal needs, that too in a self-paced manner. It is a powerful tool for unlimited benefits on the educational institutions. Integration of LMS can generate great results in training and educational growth. Learning management system has opened up a new horizon of learning with highest degree of freedom, where place and time seldom affects learners' quest. Now, let us summarize this session. The learning of 21st century classrooms is guided by the learning management systems, which offer best possible solutions to all our educational needs. Learning management systems provide all the essentials of creative teaching. Learning situations starting from designing of a course to evaluation and assigning grades. In this module, we have discussed about learning management system, common features of LMS, LMS based platforms in education, Moodle, other MOOC providers, benefits of LMS and integration of LMS in higher education. Hope the session was useful to you. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.